Rollback. The opposition spokesman on finance calls for the government to remove its tax package. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, what ban? Manufacturers comment on whether sodas should be banned in public schools.
Anger and annoyance. Why Above Rocks residents are scolding their political representatives.
Danger ahead. The Maritime Authority's concerned about a ship in Jamaican waters.
In the business day, Save the Environment. Manufacturers call for biodegradable plastic bags to be the norm.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, what do you think about the tax on group health insurance?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweets at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.